everybody, welcome to a morning edition of Beer and Boxes. It's actually going to be coffee and boxes because I'm not about to open a beer at 9 o'clock in the morning. I mean, I would normally, but it's not that kind of Thursday today. Make sure to comment below what your favorite items are that you receive in subscription bags or beauty bags. I'm interested to see what you guys enjoy finding in your monthly bags or boxes. Okay, so these are a monthly subscription, obviously, with a $10 price tag, which is not too bad at all. And every month you get a different bag. It's very cute this time. We've got a little card kind of describing all of the items, and then it just goes into the theme of the month, which is Women's History Month. So that's kind of cool. I think all of the products in this bag are makeup brands started by women. So yeah, pretty nice. Okay, so this first item is the Ciate London Lip Luster, and it's in the shade Kiss Me. There we go. Soft, shiny pink. Ooh, it's just clear. It's just like a nice gloss that you could probably put over a lipstick if you want some shine. It's a vitamin E infused gloss. It's a non-sticky, silky smooth, and creates a sheer wash of pretty pink color for you to layer, and it can become a deeper shade, which is nice because it is it's like you can't even tell I have it on. Okay, so this next one, we have a limited edition berry lip fix with wintered red algae. Skin Iceland. Oh, that sounds nice. My lips are chapped because it's morning and I haven't done anything to my face. That Skin Iceland was made with winter red algae, almond oil, and shea butter. This berry scented lip balm nourishes dry, chapped lips and coats them in a long-lasting moisture. The next item, is in bubble wrap, so you know that it's good. It looks like an eyeshadow. Pop, 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 pop. Okay. We have the Space Case Cosmetics. Yes. So this is the color. Let me take off the little top here. Look at how pretty that is. Like, obviously you're not gonna use this every day, but how gorgeous is that color? Okay, so this is, the color is Messy Loch Nessie, and it's a forest green shade. It's like one of my favorite colors. I love this color. Oh, it's so pretty. Let's swatch it. Yeah, look at that. That is so pretty. It has gold flecks and can be applied to wet or dry with your finger or brush, obviously. It's highly pigmented, it goes on like butter, and wears for hours without creasing. It's cruelty-free, always nice. Ooh, this is a full-size item. Ofra Highlighter Star Island. So I've got this big old highlighter, and that color looks like almost perfect. So let's see a little swatch of it. It's very, very subtle. It's a silky smooth formula infused with pearl pigments to illuminate your features so you're left with an incandescent glow. I always love being incandescent. This is my favorite item to receive in beauty boxes. I'm interested to see what your guys' comments are on what your favorites are in beauty boxes, but I've got some nail polish. And it's the prettiest shade. Look at this color. It's very perfect for spring. It's from Helios, and it's the Luminor Polish and Livin' Lovely. Yeah, this is a really pretty color. This bag was super, super awesome. I loved it. I did purchase the December and January bag. I haven't seen a February one come open because this is my first bag. I haven't received any other ones. So I will be unboxing those soon when I do receive them. I'm excited for it. I don't care that there's probably a billion videos out there of unbagging of those. I'm just excited to get some more products. But if you liked this video, please subscribe. You can ring the bell. It'll give you updates whenever I get a new video or post a new video. And yeah, good morning, YouTube. Have a great day. Drink your coffee. Have a beer afterwards. But the coffee first, most importantly.